Okay, we're live. This is Hangout 2, testing my microphones. Tonight I lost a podcast because I used my PR-40 and the ATR-2100, and the Behringer mixture just couldn't give enough whamp to the ATR-2100. But for some reason tonight, I think they're both working fine. So my PR-40 right now, go over to the ATR-2100. Yeah, it's still low here. And I guess if I had it, I guess if I had I had this on, that was the difference. I had this hooked up, but it still doesn't look like it's real strong. They're both set the same. I'm going to turn up the gain just a little bit, move this up and see what the sound sounds like. It still doesn't sound like it's real strong. We'll see what happens when I unplug the PR-40 on the Behringer, and I'm using the Behringer mixer, the USB. I just unplugged it. Does that change the sound? Yeah, it powers it up. That's for sure. So I'm going to plug the PR-40 back in and leave the ATR, see how it affects the sound. Now, yeah, the sound still looks good over here. Now, is the sound good here? Yeah, it's good here too. So now what happens when I put two? Okay, now I have two 2100s in. Okay, I've got the one 2100, looks like pretty good sound. And I've got the second 2100, pretty good sound. Let's see how it sounds. So, also, does it make any difference with the 48 volt plugged in? That's it plugged in right now. Again, this is on one plugged in. And finally, I'm going to go back to the ATR-2100, if I can. Oh, where'd it go? To my lap. So now I've got the ATR-21 PR-40 plugged back in, and here's the 2100. So that's a test with the Behringer tonight. You know, the only thing I didn't do, I think I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to go ahead and plug in and see if it makes a difference, if it draws anything, because I was really having problems today. Going to put in the Roland RL5, see if that affects anything. It's really driving me nuts to have bad sound. Oops, I just powered it on and off. Okay, so I've got the Roland. Come on, Roland. It says no card, no SD card. That's typical. So I got to eject this. I got a Mac, so I got to eject it out of the Mac. I think we probably throw this one away. Oh, goodness. Okay. Okay, I finally got the finally got it on, and let's see. Okay, now I can check my sound. My sound is really working there on the Roland. I can see my sound off and on just off of that. Now I'm over here on the 2100. Good sound. This is crazy. I had bad sound earlier today, and I've had some failures, but it looks like all my systems are working. And finally, I'm just going to see what happens when we take off the 2100 and we just have the Heil PR-40, and that's a test. That's we'll see how it sounds.